Okay, we are here on Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Seas. We're going to do a room tour of Promenade View Room 8575. I specifically picked this location because it's right in the center of all the action. And I'll show you what I mean in a second. So let's go. It's a promenade interior. It's a nice alternative to a regular interior because it's a little bit bigger. It's not much more money. You have a nice window. You can check out the action. And like I said, it's a great alternative to an interior when a balcony is much more. So these are great options for you. They have the couch over here. Sometimes they have a little glass table right there. And like if you want to have room service, you can use that. Very handy. Otherwise, it's difficult to have room service in a room like this, but you can request the glass table there. So anyway, let's take a look. You walk in, it's a nice spacious room. I'm just myself this time, so it's perfect for one or even two. The bathroom is your standard bathroom, nothing special. Closet is a standard closet, again, nothing special. They have the robe here and the safe. And I just will store my suitcase there. I just actually got in the room. The TV is just a small little TV here in the corner. There's some shelves and drawers. There's your shelves. You got little end shelves over there. And the bed is your standard queen size. You got your little nightstands. And this is the work area. You have these more storage areas for things, which I never use these because I'm afraid I'll forget stuff if I leave things in there. And you get your waters, your Crown and Anchor. I got a couple of bottles of something. I got Moet and Chandon. And what is this? The Michelle. I'll probably give that stuff away. But here's the feature of this room. Check it out. We are right near the bridge, which is right here. This is where the staff, the crew, hold the 70s dance party. So the 70s Disco Inferno party will be right here in full effect. The crew will be right up on this bridge and the crowds will go crazy all down here. There's the Cafe Promenade with your pizza options. And you can see people down there. And so we're on deck 8, as you can see. These cabins are on decks 6, 7, and 8. And they got the disco lights playing. Over here, you got the bamboo room. Downstairs to the casino on deck 4. You have shops. Nothing's open yet. It's day 1, so just people got on the ship just about 3 hours ago, 3.5 hours ago. And people are now settling into their cabins. One thing to keep in mind if you're in these promenade interior rooms is to keep your curtains closed. They have the little translucent, and then they have the blackout, which will pretty much black everything out. You know what I like about this room? One of the other things, when you turn these lights off, let's do that right now, and turn the lights off. Look how cool it looks. This is cool, you know, you could sit here, but I'll tell you, when it's partying out there, the noise, you'll hear it. You will hear the noise. So if you like to sleep at like, 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night, this might not be a good choice if you get disturbed by parties, but because you will hear the thumping, you will be able to recognize the songs. But I picked this room purposely to get a nice view of all the parties, especially like the Disco Inferno. I'll be able to see it right here. And normally, if I get these rooms, I will get them all the way down to the aft, usually the last cabins there by guest services, which is a lot more quiet. So if you want to get in the action, get in the center of the ship. If you want to have quiet, go further aft. Further aft, the better. Deck 6 is good. I usually get 6 if it's available, because it's only one deck up from the Royal Promenade. So there you have it. It's your couches and the promenade interior view. 8575 on Mariner of the Seas. Peace out, everyone.